What was the question? My favorite part about Bailey?
I'm Bailey.
And I'm Josh.
We've been dating for almost a year. We met on a dating app. I swiped right.
And I did too.
It was better dating during the pandemic because we were kind of forced to just hunker down and get to know each other. Things were closed. We didn't feel super comfortable going out a lot, so we just spent a lot of intimate time getting to know each other, and I think it actually has worked out better.
Bailey's name is Bailey, and my last name is Haley. And so those obviously rhyme.
I knew his last name was Haley, but we hadn't talked about it yet. And I had talked to a friend about it, like, hey, I'm dating this guy whose last name is Haley.
Hailey, Bailey.
Why do you think you and Bailey were picked to be in this show?
That's such a good question. I have no idea.
Forget the term, but like I'm an extroverted introvert.
I feel like I'm ready for fatherhood someday because I've already got the dad jokes and the dad bod. Did you hear the one about the 3 holes in the ground? Well.
So today I'm shopping for Josh to put together an outdoor space for him. I know big picture, he'd love a nice outdoor kitchen because he loves to cook, loves to grill, maybe a nice like plush outdoor couch.
Sounds great. I am going to design a creative thrifting space for Bailey. Currently, she has a room that is sort of a hodgepodge of office, storage, spin bike, maybe a rack for hanging garments, drawers or something for organization. How's that?
I'm very excited to see what Josh comes up with. Josh is really competitive. We both are.
It's very close. We're well matched.
He tends to beat me a lot of the time.
It is true that I often beat her in board games, but the score doesn't indicate how close it has been.
But I have faith in myself. I think I can win.
I am a little bit nervous, I will be honest. All right, let's see if Wayfair has any garment racks. I want to check out this customizable natural closet organization kit.
I like that. Good start.
Oh, lots of options. Yeah, I could see this being a really big asset to her thrifting business.
My setup right now is really bad. I have one flimsy like coat rack.
Add to cart. All right, I know Bailey needs a big mirror.
A good mirror is hard to find. This is great.
It is a full-length mirror. I like that it's very minimalist in style as well. I'd love to see if Wayfair has any rugs for Bailey. Shag faux sheepskin pink area rug. Then we've got this geometric handmade white area rug.
I kind of like the patterned rugs better.
Add it to cart. It just looks comfy. Comfy on the feet. I think Bailey could use some chairs in her studio. Some seating would be nice.
I really like these velvet chairs at the top. I hope he clicks on those.
I like the idea of a comfy chair. This comes in 7 colors, so let's
manifest your
see what
dreams.
else. Let's check that. Ooh, that is nice. That color is Bailey. All right, now let's look for a vanity. I'm seeing this vanity set here with a stool and a mirror, which could be nice.
That looks similar to items that I have in my home currently, so I think that would go well.
I like this because it's white and light wood, like everything else we're putting together into the space.
I think it's fine. Mirrors kind of open up the space, so I think it's fine to have multiple mirrors.
Next, I think Bailey could use some wall shelves. So I think I'm gonna go with this 3-piece hexagon marble accent shelf.
Oh, I like that it has marble. I think he's doing a really cohesive look.
All right, this is a studio, so let's see what some lighting options are. I'm looking for either something that could hang overhead or potentially a floor lamp.
He keeps scrolling past a couple that I really like.
Well, that's kind of cool. It's kind of a wooden nest look to it.
I know why he's considering this one, but I don't love it for myself. I would choose one of the gold lamps.
We're gonna go with one of these. Had some tough choices to make. There were a lot of good options on Wayfair. I hope I chose the one that Bailey would have chosen, but we'll find out.
I don't want to tell him he didn't do a good job. All right, let's do this. I'd love to find a sofa set for Josh. I do like this set here. It's a 4-piece.
Ooh, I like that.
I don't love the color brown that I'm seeing, but it comes in 5 different colors and it's a good price with a good rating. Oh, I like it a lot in black. Okay.
Black's nice.
And it's a good deal.
Looks awesome.
I like the couch, but I feel like it could use some pillows. He likes those blues, grays, greens. I would choose something like banana leaves or something really colorful. I think for him, he would go more simple.
Right now we're just black and gray. We need a pop of something.
I know I said he likes simple, but I think this is a simple enough pattern to where it doesn't look too crazy or too busy. We're gonna add these.
Oh, just the black.
I know Josh would love a fire pit, so let's see if I can find that for him. I've never seen a fire pit exactly like this before, so I think it looks really cool and I think Josh will like it as well.
I think that looks most like my style.
So this one is also a portable fire pit, which I like because you can move that around. So I really like that feature and it's on sale.
I like that too. Good job. Gosh, she's doing great.
I envision Josh's outdoor area having lots of plants. Let's see if Wayfair even has plants. I like this artificial palm tree. Let's do the big one, why not? Yeah, I like the idea of making like an oasis outside. Lots of plants, just really comforting and really inviting.
Yeah, let's get the oasis going.
So let's add a couple of these. We want to be able to enjoy the space in the evenings as well, so let's see if they have any good lighting options. I like these outdoor lights as well. I love string lights, so let's take a look at those.
Yes. Yeah.
And I'm gonna go crazy. Let's add 4 and just really make this like a twinkle light paradise.
Gosh, she is spoiling me.
Let's see if Wayfair has any mini fridges. Josh's outdoor area, it has some seating, but it's also being used for storage in this moment. There are 3 very large coolers just stacked on top of each other outside, not being used for beverages, just for storage purposes. So I think getting an actual fridge or something like that to help keep beers cold would be a really nice option. This one looks really cool. It kind of looks like a chest. It's a freestanding outdoor mini fridge.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I like this. I'm gonna add this. I think it looks pretty cool and functional.
That fridge freezer does seem pretty cool.
Let's browse for unique outdoor items. There's an outdoor cat area. This is the dream.
I have a cat and he really wants to go outside.
This would be so nice for him to have a space outside. It kind of looks like a chicken coop.
Please get an outdoor cat something.
I honestly talk about this all the time, so I'm gonna add it to cart.
Perfect.
I think I did well. I really like the items that I was choosing from, and I think Josh will like them as well.
I like her selections a lot. I'd love to see them all together.
It was really cool to find items that we were specifically looking for, but didn't necessarily know we were looking for them. Like, we had talked about that cat thing quite a bit, and just to have it pop up on here was really cool, and it's basically exactly what we were looking for. I think we did well.
She did great.
I think Josh did really well. I really like some of the storage pieces that he picked out. Right now, I think things kind of get lost in the hustle and bustle of this room because I don't have storage, so it's nice that all the items that I thrift will be more on display, more front of mind, and I'll be able to better put outfits together, list my items, and then make an actual business out of it.
I was initially thinking of this more as like an outdoor man cave, but it is an outdoor cat cave. I'm fine with being the, secondary.
What items were a total miss?
I did not love the lamp. I think it works with the space he created, but I just would have gone a little funkier with it.
I thought it was pretty funky.
So would you trust each other to design your future space for real?
Absolutely. Please make that a real thing. That lamp's gonna come back to haunt me.
No, it's a great lamp.
A skeleton walks into a bar and says, "Bartender, a beer and a mop." They asked me earlier if I knew your favorite movie.
Okay.
Is it Good Will Hunting? How do you know when a joke becomes a dad joke?
How?
It becomes apparent.
That's so dumb.